From AI-powered drones that can think on their own to laser defense systems that destroy incoming missiles at the speed of light, the future of warfare is already here. These groundbreaking technologies are not just reshaping battlefields, they're redefining global power. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how new defense technologies are transforming the way nations protect themselves and project power. For centuries, military evolution relied on manpower and traditional weapons, but now the focus has shifted to innovation, data, automation, and precision. We're entering an era where machines can make decisions faster than humans, and wars may be fought without soldiers ever stepping onto the battlefield. Artificial intelligence, cyber capabilities, hypersonic missiles, and autonomous systems are now the new tools of power. Nations are racing to integrate these systems, believing that whoever leads in defense technology will lead the world. But this transformation isn't just about weapons. It's about control, deterrence, and the future of global balance. From space-based sensors to robotic ground forces, modern defense systems are rewriting the rules of war. So let's explore how this technological revolution is unfolding and which innovations are changing everything we know about defense. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now at the heart of global defense strategy. Unlike traditional computing, AI can process massive amounts of data in real time, detecting threats, predicting attacks, and even responding autonomously. Imagine a command center that can identify enemy movements, calculate response strategies, and coordinate entire operations faster than any human general. That's not science fiction anymore, it's already happening. AI is being used to guide drones, track submarines, and even manage logistics for large armies. Some systems can identify enemy aircraft in seconds using visual recognition, while others can predict cyber intrusions before they occur. However, the growing power of AI also raises new ethical questions. Can we trust machines to make life and death decisions? Leading nations like the United States, China, and Israel are heavily investing in AI defense programs to gain the edge. Whoever masters AI will not only win wars faster, but may also prevent them through superior intelligence and early detection. The battlefield is evolving, and AI is becoming the invisible commander shaping modern military power. In warfare, speed is everything, and hypersonic weapons are rewriting that rulebook. Traveling at over Mach 5, or 5 times the speed of sound, these weapons can hit targets anywhere in minutes, leaving almost no time for defense systems to react. Both the United States and Russia are testing advanced hypersonic missiles capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear warheads. China, too, has demonstrated successful tests of its DF-ZF hypersonic glide vehicle, signaling a new arms race in speed and precision. These weapons don't just fly fast, they maneuver unpredictably, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Traditional radar systems struggle to track them, and even advanced missile shields are often too slow to respond. This technology forces militaries to rethink strategy, early detection, instant decision-making, and distributed defenses systems are now critical. The introduction of hypersonic weapons could shift the global balance of power, where deterrence relies more on who can strike first and respond faster. In short, hypersonic technology isn't just another weapon, it's a complete transformation of how wars will be fought and prevented in the future. Drones have already changed the face of warfare, but the next generation of drones is even more powerful and autonomous. From massive surveillance UAVs to tiny reconnaissance drones, they provide unmatched battlefield intelligence. Modern drones can fly for hours undetected, stream live video, and even strike with pinpoint accuracy. The US MQ-9 Reaper, Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, and Israel's Heron are prime examples of how unmanned systems dominate today's skies. But now nations are developing drone swarms, fleets of small, network drones that can communicate, coordinate, and attack collectively like a single intelligent unit. These swarms could overwhelm enemy defenses or conduct large-scale surveillance across borders. What's more, AI integration allows drones to adapt mid-mission, changing routes or targets automatically. Drone warfare reduces risk to human pilots and increases precision, but it also raises concerns about accountability and escalation. The future battlefield might see fewer soldiers, but far more machines, fast, silent, and lethal. Drones are no longer just tools of war. They are becoming the eyes, ears, and even the fists of modern defense. Wars today aren't just fought on land, air, or sea. They're fought in cyberspace. Cyber attacks can cripple a nation without firing a single bullet. Power grids, communication systems, satellites, and even financial networks can be targeted to cause chaos. That's why countries are building cyber armies trained to defend against and launch digital strikes. A single breach in a military database or command network could paralyze entire defense operations. Cyber defense has become as important as missile defense. The United States Cyber Command, China's Strategic Support Force, and Russia's cyber units are constantly engaged in digital espionage and protection missions. Advanced firewalls, quantum encryption, and AI-based intrusion detection systems are now standard tools in national defense arsenals. But cyber warfare isn't limited to nations. Hackers and rogue groups can also cause real damage. The line between civilian and military targets is blurring, making cyber defense a vital part of modern security. The future of war might be silent, fought with code instead of bullets, but its impact will be just as devastating. Space is no longer just a scientific domain. It's the newest and most contested defense frontier. Satellites now play a crucial role in communication, navigation, surveillance, and missile tracking. Nations are racing to protect and dominate space assets that control everything from GPS systems to missile defense networks. The establishment of organizations like the U.S. Space Force and China's Strategic Space Command highlights the growing importance of this new battlefield. Anti-satellite ASAT weapons have already been tested by several countries, proving that space is no longer immune to conflict. Advanced sensors in orbit can detect missile launches within seconds, giving nations valuable time to respond. Meanwhile, small and agile satellites are replacing massive ones, making it harder for enemies to disable communication networks. The militarization of space raises serious global concerns. If space becomes a war zone, it could threaten civilian infrastructure worldwide. Yet, ignoring it is not an option. The next generation of wars may begin far above our skies, where technology decides who sees, communicates, and survives first. Imagine destroying a target with pure energy instead of explosives. That's the promise of directed energy weapons. Systems like high-powered lasers and microwave weapons can disable drones, missiles, or vehicles instantly and silently. Unlike traditional ammunition, lasers have virtually unlimited shots as long as they have power. The U.S. Navy's laser weapon system, LOTLS, and Israel's Iron Beam are leading examples of this game-changing technology. These systems are already being deployed to counter drone swarms and short-range threats. The advantage: precision, speed, and cost efficiency. A single laser shot costs a fraction of a missile intercept, making it ideal for continuous defense. However, developing these systems to work in all weather conditions remains a challenge. Still, directed energy represents a major leap in defensive capability, one that could make traditional projectile weapons obsolete in certain missions. The power of light is no longer limited to science fiction. It's becoming the backbone of next-generation protection systems worldwide. Modern armies are rapidly integrating robotics into every part of their operations. From unmanned ground vehicles that carry supplies through dangerous zones to robotic dogs that patrol bases, Machines are reducing human risk and increasing efficiency. Autonomous tanks, robotic medics, and automated missile launchers are already in testing phases across several nations. These machines are controlled by advanced algorithms and sensors capable of identifying targets, avoiding obstacles, and making tactical decisions on their own. For example, Russia's Ur-9 robotic tank and the U.S. Army's robotic combat vehicle are early glimpses of what's coming next. The goal isn't to replace soldiers, but to support them, giving humans greater range, speed, and safety. However, full autonomy in lethal systems raises ethical questions about accountability and control. As robotics evolve, militaries must find a balance between automation and human oversight. The age of human-machine teamwork has arrived, and it's changing how wars are planned, fought, and won. Quantum technology could redefine global defense in the next decade. Unlike traditional computing, quantum systems use qubits to perform calculations millions of times faster, allowing instant data analysis and unbreakable communication encryption. Quantum radars could detect stealth aircraft, submarines, or missiles that are invisible to current systems. Quantum communication, already being tested in China and the US, can create networks that are virtually impossible to hack. The military implications are enormous. Faster decision-making, secure command lines, and next-level intelligence processing. With quantum computing, predictive models could simulate enemy strategies and provide real-time solutions. However, the race to build operational quantum systems is still in progress, and whoever achieves it first could gain unmatched dominance in global defense. It's not just a new weapon, it's a new way of thinking, processing, and protecting. The quantum age of defense is near, and it promises to be the biggest technological leap since the invention of the computer itself. The world's defense landscape is evolving faster than ever. From AI-driven systems and drone swarms to quantum encryption and space warfare, the line between human and machine is fading. While these technologies enhance security and deterrence, they also introduce new risks. Ethical dilemmas, accidental escalations, and loss of human control. Nations must not only compete in innovation, but also cooperate in regulation. Technology can protect, but without restraint, it can also destroy faster than ever before. The real challenge is not building smarter weapons, but ensuring they serve peace, not chaos. The balance between innovation and humanity will define the next century of global security. In the end, technology alone cannot guarantee safety. Wisdom, ethics, and diplomacy must guide its use. The future of defense is here, and it's up to us to shape it wisely. If you found this deep dive into modern defense technologies informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more global military insights. Tell us in the comments, which technology do you think will define the future of warfare? Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.